Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So if you have animals, you know that a good feeding routine is really important. And I recently have been loving this automatic cat feeder for 2 cats from Molypet. The first thing I really appreciated about this cat feeder is how much food it holds. It holds over 25 cups of food, which is great because if you need to go out of town for a bit, you don't have to worry about refilling the food. I'm really impressed at how the feeder dispenses food. Not only does the rotator spin counterclockwise to release stuck food, but if you notice here, the base is lifted, so the food actually falls down into the bowl, which prevents it from piling up. I always had issues with other cat feeders and the food really piling up in the bowls, but Molypet seems to have figured that out really well. There are a few different settings you can use on this automatic feeder. You can set multiple feedings throughout the day, and you can even do what they call a slow feed, which releases food only a little at a time. The slow feed option is really nice if you have an animal that eats their food really fast. This is great to help them just slow down. You can also choose a portion size, which is nice to ensure your pet doesn't get too much food throughout the day. So there's one feature I think that's really cool on this feeder. You can actually record your voice for your cats.
Hey boys, come and get it.
To me, that's pretty unique. This Molypet automatic feeder for 2 cats is just a really great addition to our home. My furry friends really love it, and that's my point of view.